Everyone, today I want to discuss with you what we as pioneers can do to make the price of my mind went to Bitcoin, not Bitcoin. What can pioneers do to make the price of Picoin to rise? The price of Picoin dropped to as low as 40 cents plus within the last 12 hours or so, and then many pioneers are bothered and many are disappointed. Many have given reasons why it went down. Many have given so many things. Now, what can pioneers do to make the price of the Picoin to rise again? Picoin is a coin that has been mined for 6 years, and it is organized or owned by the Pi network. The Pi core team, that's the PCT, are working hard behind the clock to make things happen. Previously, Picoin was in the testnet. Now it has come to the mainnet. There's migration for some, partial for some, full for some, and thereabout. There are KYC issues and many have been sorted. But after listing on February 20, the price of Picoin has kept going down. Initially, it went down on the day of the launch. After that, it went up for like a week. After 1 week, it danced around a particular point, and then it has been coming down and down and down and going down up to this moment. Now, many pioneers are bothered and are wondering what can be done to make this coin to go up. This coin that we have mined, if I've known, I would have sold it when it's just listed at $1.70. When it rose to $2.70, 74 cents, $2.74, where it rose to that point before it began to sell. When it rose to $2.74, many people thought it was going to keep going up. But funny enough, it started coming down from that point. Coming down, thinking it is going to have a support at some point and then shoot up. Instead, no support, nothing. It just kept going down. It bypassed the support, bypassed everything, going down and dipping and dipping. Now it has gone below the launch price. The launch price was about $60-something. Now the price is less than the launch price. And many people are wondering, what can we do to make this price of Bitcoin, of Picoin, to rise? I'm sorry I'm saying Bitcoin because Bitcoin happens to be the most popular and the baba of all the coins, of the cryptocurrencies. So what can be done to make the price of Picoin to rise again? Those people who mine Bitcoin, what do they do to make the price of Bitcoin to rise? I doubt if they did anything. All they have to do is to buy and keep and let the market play its role, and then you see things happen. So the same thing, many people are saying the Pi, this thing, they should do this, do that, leave everything. Everything is going to be clear. All you need to do is to do nothing. Just do nothing. When the market forces come into play, the price is likely to rise. Market forces are at play now. Many people are claiming manipulation. I doubt it. Manipulation is part of the market forces in business or in anything. Those people that are coming talking about manipulation, that some people are coming to buy, some brokers are doing this, some these are doing that, exchanges are doing this. I don't think anybody has that kind of power like that. When the market forces decide the direction it's going to go, it's going to go. So the direction that is going now, that is the direction I believe is determined by the market forces. People are selling in panic. People need money after mining it for 6 years. They just want the money now. Some don't want to wait for 2 years, 3 years. They want the money, they want to cash out now. So based on that, they kept selling. And some are thinking, oh, it's now 40-something cents. It may drop to 30-something cents. Before it drops 30-something cents, let me sell it. So they kept on selling. So what can I do to make the price to rise? There's nothing you can do. As an individual, as you are seeing this video, there's nothing you can do. How many people will see this video? Let's say 500, 1,000, 2,000. So how many people are in the market, in the Picoin market? We have excess of 5 million. So what can 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, even 5,000 people that see this video, what can they do compared with the millions and millions of people who are on the Pi network app, who are mining and have this coin with them? If 1,000 or 2,000 or 3,000 or even 100,000 people see this video and they hold on to that coin, they refuse to sell, what happens to the millions of people that are going to sell? So you can see You as an individual, don't panic. It is not you that will determine the direction of the market. It's not you that determine the direction currently now. It is many of the market forces. And when the market forces also decide that the direction it will go in that direction. So you don't need to do anything. Many people have been asking, what can I do? What can I do? What I tell you today, do nothing. What did you do to make the price of any coin that you know to rise? Bitcoin, what did you do to make the price of Bitcoin to rise? Nothing. What did you do to strengthen Ethereum as a coin? Nothing. What did you do to strengthen other coins? Dogecoin, you did nothing. Market forces played its role, and then we see the rise in the price of the different coins. So put your mind at rest. Let your mind be at rest. Don't trouble yourself. Don't give yourself high blood pressure because of Picoin. When it is time to rise, it's going to rise. Let's see where it is going to go by August. Then let's see where it will be in December 2025. Then we can keep looking at it that way. So the perspective now is long term. There's short term, there's long term. Personally, I locked my Pi for 3 years. So my mining rate increased 100%. 100%, whatever I mine, I lock it up for 3 years. So that increased my mining rate. So why can't you do that? Why can't you do that too? So between that now and that 3 years, all the noise in the market currently will have gone down. Even in the next 6 months to 1 year, most of the noise will have gone down because those who are buying will have bought enough for them to leave the market for them now. Okay, now that people are selling at 40 cents, at 50 cents, who are the people that are buying from them? They are investors. They are investors. Why can't you join the rank of the investor instead of just waiting for it to rise? Now is the time for you can invest, and then you can make money when it rises. Now I want to say that there are many people that are scammers on this Pi coin space, on this Pi network space. They just come to scam people and to steal their currency. You go to different forums, you see somebody say you want to sell this. Maybe below this video, somebody will say I have coin to sell, Pi coin to sell. Pi coin to buy. You want to buy Pi coin, you want to sell Pi coin. Why can't you go to the exchanges and trade it there, 40 cents or 40 something cents? And then they are telling you they want to buy it from you at 80 cents, $1. You should know that is a scam and you should run away from them. So to the question again that, what can I do, or what can all pioneers do, or what can the pioneers that will see this video do to make the price of Pi to rise? What pioneers can do is to do nothing. Let the market forces play its role, and then we are going to see the rise of Picoin. This is Dr. Olugbenga Adetitun TV, and on this TV, I teach you how to make money online and offline. Currently, I'm focusing on cryptocurrency and on Forex, on many other things linked with it, on airdrops, and many other businesses that I've done, talk about on this channel. Go ahead and watch all the videos I've done on this channel on how to make money both online and offline, and you are going to be glad you did. This video popping up by the side is the next thing you need to watch, but before then, make sure you subscribe, like, comment below, and also share the link of this video. Until I come your way in the next one, ask your question in the comment section below. And if you have not started mining Pi, I will leave the link for you to start mining Pi in the description section and in the comment section. I will see you in the next one. Let's go ahead and watch this video popping up right from my channel. Let's go there now.